You know what I'm saying? It's really, is it on? Because I'm preaching right now. Niggas got shit fucked up. I want the body that God intended me to have. You know what I'm saying? Niggas been fucking with their bodies for years. No, nigga. That's not the body God wanted you to have. No, God didn't make you look like that. You made you look like that. I get it, amen?
Amen.
My nigga. You know what I'm saying? That's why they call it God body. In shape, fit, put together. You know what I'm talking about? Bitches talking about they love niggas. Got a little belly and shit. Dog, I guarantee you, she out of shape herself. And the only reason she want a nigga fucked up is because she fucked up and don't feel like working it out. So she's gonna take a nigga that's, you know what I'm saying, that put less pressure on herself. Nigga ain't stupid.
But her man crush Monday is Lonnie.
You know what I'm talking about? This shit is crazy. You want me like this, but your man crush is this.
Right.
Yeah, you got me fucked up. You ain't about to hold me down, baby. You ain't about to hold me down, baby.
Fucking bitches in a different bracket, man.
You heard of tax brackets? Bitch brackets. Been a whole nother bitch bracket, man. You see them cars start slowing down? Just know I moved up. I want no problem. It's real, man. Yeah, it's a fucked up thing, man. I'm not too much on it, though.
Right.
Get my shit together, right out.
Pool party suck.
Pool party, shit, epic shit.
Shirt off.
Shirt off, shirt off. That's all I hear. Couple more tattoos, it's real. Do this shit every day, man. Take a Sunday off, it's nothing. Let the body recoup, let the muscles grow. Get your shit together, man. I was once you. I was once you. No longer. This nigga on his way. I ain't even where I want to be, but I'm on my way. Believe that. Yay, yay!